snake on my 16-bit softcore processor. The processor inside the FPGA is currently halted. I can put it into run mode using a sliding switch on the board. And there we go. I'm now playing Snake on a 16-bit processor I designed. Just kind of pleased with it. And the VGA implementation is 16 by 16 tiles and on 640 by 480, so the tiles are 40 across and 30 up. 16 colours. I don't know if you can see, but the snake's even got little eyes showing you which direction he's driving around the screen in. Not quite sure why he eats hearts though. He just drew a heart, and I needed a graphic to represent food. Now the snake does get very slowly faster as he gets longer. I'm using a very, very poor, just about usable random number generator to determine the the food positions. It's the typical, I can't remember its proper name, but it has a shifting operation and an XOR. It's good enough. I'm not going to play around too long with it. I did actually try to find out if it was possible to implement random number generators in FPGAs, and it can be done. As a little project, I might do that. So this is obviously a keyboard I'm typing in, rather controlling the snake with. It's connected to a PST port on the DE2 development board using a implementation of a PS2 interface that I originally wrote for my for my 68,000 projects. It's a simple enough job to convert it across. So the plan is that I'll make a subsequent video which goes over my which goes over my softcore processor design. I've made a little Google presentation and everything, but I'm not very good at doing videos, so I need to refilm it. It's getting a bit harder now. There is a bug which I've ran into. I've not got down to the bottom of it, where sometimes you don't get any food. So the poor snake just has a box to go around in. Yeah, it's quite a lot of fun, this. Didn't expect it to be so playable, I have to say. Yeah. For anyone interested in any of my earlier videos, the snake implementation used is actually nearly identical in mechanism, but obviously not code, to my previous snake game that I originally wrote in 6809 assembly. It basically uses I died. But you get 3 lives. So not quite as much as a cat, but enough. Where was I? So yes, it uses two arrays, one for the row and one for the column, and it's basically a cyclical array. which describe which describe the position of the head. So on each screen refresh, or each movement of the snake, the head position advances. And that's how it knows how to rub out the tail position, because it knows how long the snake is, and it knows where the head is. You probably can't see, but even the lettering is anti-aliased, which I was quite pleased with. I found a 16x16 colour font. The softcore processor design, along with the VGA PS2, would also work on certainly. Nope, I died. But I'm playing again. So it would also work on a cheaper cheaper FPGA board. I've also got I think it cost about £35, a Cyclone 4 with 6K logic elements, and I initially had it running there. That's got a PS2 port and a VGA port. Certainly run on that board as well. And of course you could probably port it to anything really. So it obviously makes use of internal memory. Obviously, it makes use of internal memory for the video and the program store, which is in the dual ported memory array. Anyway, I think I've talked long enough. It seemed to pause then. Maybe that was just my imagination. Anyway, I think that's enough. Okay. Well, thank you very much for watching.